He's like what I call the yes guy. If you need him to do something, he can do it. It's not just about doing the job. If you're gonna do it right. Alex basically built me a brand new house. When I first got this house, I wanted to remodel it because there was a lot of beams and a lot of sections. For me, for my eyes, I need something like simplicity, symmetrical. The way it was laid out in the kitchen, I felt like the kitchen could be opened up more. I felt like everything was kind of pushed in the corner. The bathroom looked outdated, and it just didn't flow very well. I had the whole house remodel. The kitchen, the bathroom, everything. The fireplace, the wall, all the frames to the window got replaced. You name it, it got changed. Alex basically built me a brand new house. Alex is very good in what he does. He knows the code, where things are supposed to be and how it's supposed to be done. And I really appreciate that about him. It's not just about doing the job. If you're gonna do it right. Don't just do it just to get it done and then go on to the next job. It's about this is your reputation, and if you don't care about it, then I shouldn't be working with you. Alex really cares about what he does and the way he does it and how he treats his employees too. So they're all like family to him, and he's become like my family. The thing I love about Alex is that he and I have the same taste as far as what can improve the area. I learned so much from him. I want to build stuff now. And it's hard to find someone that they can do the work and do it right. He virtually built me a new house. It turned out really good. I'm really happy with the way that Alex has remodeled my house, and I would definitely recommend him to anyone, my family, friends. He is an excellent person to work with. The communication is great. Definitely, I would recommend him 100%, 110%.